Hi, this is Brian Smith with Vantis Commercial Real Estate. Wanted to talk with you a little bit today about the popular markets in Sioux Falls by asset class. The first one being multifamily. Now, there are quite a few large multifamily complexes going up on the southeast side of town, the northwest side of town, and then a really hot market is the downtown area. And just to explain what I mean by hot market or popular market, it's where newer product is being built and higher rent rates are being charged in general. The next asset class that I want to talk about is office. When it comes to office, again, downtown is very popular. There are multiple office complexes being put up, redevelopment opportunities that are taking place in the downtown where office will be constructed as well. And just because of the popularity of downtown, existing office is usually in very high demand downtown too. The south side is also very popular for new office going in, as well as a higher rent rate is usually demanded on the south side for office space. Retail has a very similar footprint when it comes to the hot or popular markets. Downtown is very popular, the south side is very popular, and then also as redevelopment takes place on 41st Street and on Minnesota Avenue, you're seeing more and more new retail businesses going into properties that maybe had been dated but are now getting a fresh face put on them and getting filled back up again. Industrial is another asset class, and the popular areas for industrial are on the southwest side of Sioux Falls, really more in the T area. Very popular place for existing and new industrial. The northeast side of Sioux Falls as well, North Cliff Avenue area and 60th Street North. A lot of industrial in that area, and a very good place to be located from an industrial standpoint. And then the new industrial development that's taking place on the northwest side of town in Foundation Park, and the industrial developments that are already in place on the Renner and Crooks exit. Now, the last asset class to talk about is land. And obviously what we're looking at there is where are we seeing development take place on the land side of things. An area that is becoming, developing a lot more interest on the land side is the area in between the Sioux Falls city limits and where Highway 100 is going to be. That's an area where we're going to see over the next 10 years fill in with new housing developments and commercial as well. And then also on the northwest side of town, the residential developments taking place up there are booming as well. There's a lot of growth taking place on the northwest side of Sioux Falls. And those are the hot markets or the popular areas for each asset class in the Sioux Falls area. Brian Smith, Vantis Commercial Real Estate.